Welcome back to another wonderful property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Plantersville, Texas, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home. And I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Ronda, for making the tour possible. As always, I'll leave all of the information in the description below. Now, starting on the exterior, family, we do have a spectacular facade. You have the natural stone along with the brick and stucco, and it works well together. You're situated on 1.5 acres. You have plenty of space in the front yard and the backyard, and we will see that a little bit later on. Now, you notice that they intentionally preserved a lot of the mature trees for that privacy element, which I'm certainly sure you can appreciate. Now, as we do continue, you have that vaulted theme that goes into the covered front porch. It even extends over there to the left. Of course, you can prop up some chairs and relax and enjoy a Saturday morning. Now, it is lushly landscaped as well. You have the outdoor wall lanterns, and then look at this. So you have the mahogany double front door with the frosted privacy glass. And then it even extends over here. And then this is your incredible view. Beautiful. Now you have a long driveway that brings you to your 3-car garage. You have plenty of parking available, which is always great to see. And then let's go ahead and get you inside. Okay. Wow, so right when you walk in, you're greeted to 12-foot ceilings, open and airy. Of course, I'll go ahead and turn you around so you can see the front door from the inside. Beautiful. So you have the glass enclosed study. Now the cool thing is you do have a bath right in there, so your toilet as well as your vanity and a closet. So let me go ahead and show you this first. Beautiful, nice and spacious. You have your accent wall, of course, just to add some charm to the home. So recessed lights throughout the entire home as well, so it is certainly well lit. Let me go ahead and show you this. You got quartz counters, matte black fixtures, and the shaker style cabinetry. Outstanding. So you can add your favorite blazer inside of there. You know, sometimes when we're doing the meetings, you may have just underwear on and then you have, you know, your suit on, or at least your blazer and your jacket up top. So I guess you could just keep it there. Okay, now transitioning to the great room. You notice that common theme with the linear fireplace. Tray ceilings, exposed beams, LED ceiling fan, you even have that same molding on the walls there. Double sliding doors to get you to the backyard patio, and of course the 12-foot ceilings. Beautiful. Now you will notice some similarities from this one to another one I showcased a few weeks ago that you folks absolutely loved, so just keep that in mind. Now you have a nice picture window to take advantage of the incredible views, of course your dining area, and look at the kitchen. So right off the bat, you do have the dual islands, waterfall edge, quartz counters. Look at the pendant lights. Beautiful. Look at all the drawers and cabinetry, shaker style two-tone stack cabinets right above too. It just looks fantastic whenever they extend it all the way to the ceiling. Just gives it more of that premium look. Under cabinet lighting, now the cool thing is, look at this backsplash. You have that fluted design, marble look, and it definitely stands out. So you have the cafe appliance package, the microwave, double ovens, range top over here, sleek vent hood as well. 6 burners with the griddle and the counter depth fridge. Let's go ahead and open up some of these drawers for you. Trash drawer on the left of the undermount sink. You will notice some champagne bronze. Now, a really neat feature is You notice that you have this brass trim and that matches the hardware here. So really cool detail, something you don't see often, especially in a spec home. Beautiful. A lot of space to work with. If 5 or 10 people are inside of the kitchen, you don't have to worry about space. Now you have outlets all along here for your appliances and your convenience. Soft close as well. And here is your counter depth refrigerator. Outstanding. And let me go ahead and show you your view while you're doing dishes. And look at that. You can see the full scope of the common areas. Beautiful. Now let me go ahead and slowly bring your attention to the pantry. Look at all the shelving that you have, even counter space. And then you have outlets here. So if you want to tuck the appliances back here when they're not in use or even in use, you can do that for a clean look. Of course, you got your Costco door. You can set your refrigerator right there too. And then you have a window. Outstanding. Now going to the dining area. Look at that. So you have 10-foot ceilings here. Imagine a nice evening. You're enjoying your meal. You see the nature. That is outstanding. And then your bar seating. Beautiful. So I'll go ahead and show you this side. This will coming in from your 3-car garage. You got your mud room here. Coat closet, again for convenience. Here's your half bath. Got your vessel sink. Look at the beautiful wallpaper and all the space that you need. Three-car garage, tankless water heater. You see where that Costco door leads to. Even got a nice little bump out there. So you can open up these garage doors, get yourself right out there to the driveway, that you have the room that you want. Okay, now let's continue on this wing of the house. I'm going to show you some of the bedrooms, and then we'll work our way to the primary suite. Okay, so first one, you do have the room that you certainly need. 10-foot ceilings again, separate walk-in closet and ensuite. So this one does have 3 bedrooms, and really it's perfect for empty nesters, someone that has more of a smaller family. And especially it being a 1-story, you don't have to go up and down the stairs, which I know, again, your needs will certainly appreciate. So a nice soft color palette throughout the entire home, which is good to see. Okay, next bedroom, very similar in size. Incredible view. So let me know if this is enough space for you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, I appreciate my long-term viewers. We have a lot of exciting things coming up to the channel, so make sure you stay tuned. A lot of spectacular property tours that I think you'll love. Okay, so now you have nice flex space, bonus room. Look at this, the accent wall there, the views that you want, the double sliding doors to get you to the backyard patio. So if you are entertaining, this may be the space for you. Especially go ahead and mount that massive TV here, perfect in time for the NFL season. You know, NBA is only a couple of months after that, so you'll have plenty to watch. Okay, so if you didn't want to use the double sliding doors, you have this quick access door here. I want to go ahead and show you the primary suite. I always love to see a private patio. So again, the double sliding doors, tray ceilings, 11-foot ceilings. You got your king size bed, your 2 nightstands. Wow, and of course we will see that a little bit later on, but it is a private patio. It's not connected, so you can certainly enjoy yourself. Outstanding. You do have your morning bar, even the additional cabinetry. They included the outlets too to set up your coffee system. Or if you're not a coffee drinker like myself, more of a tea drinker, then there you go. Okay, so heading to the ensuite. Beautiful sconces, massive mirror. Look at that. You see some gold and the champagne bronze, shaker style cabinetry, dual sinks. You have your freestanding tub, tray ceilings again, recessed lights. Look at that stone there, just to spruce it up and enhance the space. Beautiful rain shower head, which is certainly a must. Gold trim there. Got your shower niche and the matching shower surround. So you got the windows that you need, bringing in the natural light. Here's your water closet. You can store all the towels that you need. Now, the cool thing is you do have 2 primary closets. So here is the first one, glass fronts, and it is tinted too. All the shelving in the world for your shoe collection, your summer collection. Look at the depth in this drawer. And then here is your other closet. Look at this. So you do have the closet island, glass fronts again, built-in drawers. Got your vanity too. Look at the room that you get. So ladies, you have all the space in the world for your makeup. Even the beautiful sconces. The natural light that you want. And then of course, the drawers. Perfect. And then this connects to the laundry room. So you got your undermount sink, quartz counters, you got the shaker style cabinetry, all the room for your washer and dryer, and additional storage. Beautiful. And let me go ahead and do one more full pan. I'll get you to the backyard. Beautiful. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. This is a nice and cozy floor plan, very intimate. And again, you have to really be here in person to truly appreciate it. Now look how tall it is back here, creating that roomy atmosphere that we so much love. You got your gas stub out so you can add that grill. Look at this. So again, it can certainly accommodate a large gathering. Over there, remember, you do have that private patio. And trust me, I'm sure you can get used to this. Beautiful. But other than that, family, that was another wonderful luxury home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Plantersville, Texas. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this something you can see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, please let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.